Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Web Solutions AI Builder. We're going to do a full step-by-step walkthrough and see if you can really build a fully functional, honestly great-looking website in just a few minutes. All right, let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You need a website, but just thinking about the time it's going to take, the cost, or diving into a bunch of code is just a massive headache. It's that one thing that stops so many amazing projects from ever getting off the ground. But what if you could just skip all of that? What if the whole process, the layout, the text, the images, all of it, could be done in basically the time it takes to make a cup of coffee? Well, that's the wild promise of these AI-powered design tools. Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll start by properly neating the AI Builder, then we'll run through its super simple 3-step launch process. After that, we'll get into how to refine and redesign the output, and we'll wrap up by publishing our new masterpiece. Let's do this. All right, first things first, let's get properly introduced to the tool that's at the heart of all this, the AI Builder itself. So what is this thing, really? At its core, the Web Solutions AI Builder is designed to do one thing incredibly well: get you a fantastic first draft of your landing page fast. It's not here to replace you. Think of it more like your high-speed design partner. You use this to get, say, 90% of the way there, and then you pull it into the main editor to add that final human polish. And what's really amazing is just how much this AI actually handles. It doesn't just give you some empty template. No, it builds the menu navigation, it writes testimonials for you, it picks out a color scheme and fonts, and it even finds relevant images. And that last point, that is a total game changer. It can literally connect to your Google My Business profile and pull in all your info for a personalized site right from the start. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's see how this actually works. We're going to walk through the main creation process, which you'll see is, well, it's shockingly simple. We're talking about going from zero to a full first draft in just 3 clicks. Right off the bat, you've got 2 roads you can take. On the left, you've got the manual prompt, which gives you total creative control. But over on the right, that's the express lane, the Google My Business option. You literally just type in your business name and the AI takes over, using your existing online info to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's incredibly fast. Now, even if you go the manual route, it's still super straightforward. First, you name your site. Easy enough. Second, you pick your industry from a huge list. This really helps the AI figure out the right design and tone. And third, and listen, this is a big one, you add your key details. The more specific you get here about your services or what makes you unique, the better and more accurate that first draft is going to be. You hit that build button, and in less than a minute, it just does its thing. And boom, bazinga, a complete website just appears. And I'm not talking about a skeleton of a site. This is a fully populated landing page with navigation, sections for your services, testimonials, a contact form, the whole shebang. Okay, getting that first draft so fast is amazing, but that's just the start. Making it perfect, making it yours, that's where the real magic happens. And this is where the AI Builder's most powerful features come into play: refinement and regeneration. You have total control over what you want to change. You can go big and regenerate the entire page for a completely fresh look. Or you can be more targeted and just redo a specific section, like your services area. Or you can get super precise and just change a single headline or one image. So this right here is probably the most important thing to understand. The AI is a brilliant starting point, but it's not perfect. It's going to give you some things you absolutely love, those are the hits, and some things that are just not quite right, those are the misses. But regeneration is your one-click tool to nudge the AI in a better direction and turn those misses into hits. So for example, let's just imagine the AI generates your site. The images are great, colors are perfect, but the headlines and the text, you're just not feeling it. It doesn't quite sound like your brand. It's close, but it's just not quite right. So what's the fix? And this is where the power really shines. With a single click on Regenerate Titles and Text, the entire copy on your page gets rewritten in seconds. The structure stays, the images stay, but you get a completely fresh set of words instantly. It's such a fast way to change the entire vibe of the page. Your toolkit for this is huge. You can swap out all the images, try new fonts, cycle through totally different color palettes, or regenerate the whole page again. But And this is a big but. I have to give you a word of caution. There is no undo button here. When you regenerate something, the old version is gone for good. So, click with confidence.
Okay, so you've used the AI to generate a design, you've regenerated the parts you didn't love until it's perfect. Now it's time for that final crucial step, taking it live.
And remember what we said at the start, the AI Builder is for generation. For the final, granular edits, like changing the text on a single button or nudging something a few pixels to the left, you bring your creation into the main Web Solutions Cloud editor. This is where you put that final human touch on the AI's incredible work.
And the process is super simple. First, you click Publish with Web Solutions, which, you'll need a cloud account for. This just seamlessly transfers the whole site over. And what's really cool is the AI's chosen colors and fonts are automatically saved as global styles, so it's easy to keep everything consistent as you make those final tweaks. Once you're done, you share the URL, and your site is officially live.
And that's pretty much it. A process that used to take days, sometimes weeks of design and coding, is now squished down into just a few minutes. It's a really powerful new way to get your ideas online faster than ever before. So, I guess the only question left is, what will you build?